Hi, my name's Rick. I make videos on KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, where I try to make money and show you my progress, and hopefully you'll be able to learn from my successes and failures, and it'll help you with your own KDP business. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. So this is an income video, and I will be getting to the incomes. I just want to say a few things first. I've not posted in a couple of months, and that's just because I've been so busy. Because although I do spend a lot of time working on my KDP business, I am still full-time employed, and obviously that takes up a big part of my day. And just finding the time to make the videos just was getting quite difficult. But I do plan on posting more. I've just been really focusing on creating books and trying to do that aspect of it, because that's obviously the thing that's going to progress this business. So what have I done in the last 2 months since my last video? Well, I've been researching a lot. I have been creating new books. I haven't made that many because I have been creating a lot of colouring books, just because the ones that I have seem to be my best sellers, and that's what I want to focus on. So I will start to show you my income and then tell you a little bit more about what I've been doing. So we go straight to June's income, and in June I made $67.88, which I'm sure you can agree is not that great. It does improve though, so stick with the video. So when I made the $67, I really wasn't that impressed with it because I'd done better previous months. And I'm aware that it's the summer months and these are sort of quieter times on KDP because less people are buying books, or gifts for that matter. So I really sort of stopped and had a look at how things were going and thought I need to focus more on this as a business as opposed to just creating books and hoping that they take off. And so what I did was, even though in my first video I mentioned that I wouldn't be doing any advertising, I've been doing a lot of research on advertising, and I've actually tried my hand at advertising a couple of my books. I've been quite strict with it because I don't have a big budget. What I did, because I didn't want to put myself at a loss, was I used the money that I'd earned from the previous months on KDP and thought I'm just going to use that, and then I'm not sort of losing any money. So I used that and put it towards advertising, and I only did it on a few books. The first few I didn't really get anywhere. And then one book, I tried advertising it because I liked the cover. I thought it could possibly sell, even though it had no sales at this point. I think I made it about 4 months ago and it was just kind of sat there, no sales, nothing happening with it. But I thought, I'm just going to try advertising it. So I did, and it seems to have took off quite well, which takes us to the following month. Now, bear in mind, I only started promoting it in the last few days of the month. But for July, here is my income, and as you can see, it's raised a little bit. I'm now on $114.87, which I was really happy with. I was finally happy to hit triple digits, especially after the previous month. And because it was continuing to get sales, I felt really encouraged. I think I've ended up spending more on this book throughout August, which I will be able to display fully at the end of August, and give you my income for that. If you want to stick around, please hit the subscribe button. So I have put most of my advertising behind this book because it seemed to respond well to it and it was getting sales, and I was still making money on top of the sales. So my logic was that even if I was selling and breaking even, I don't think I'd have been bothered, but the fact that I was making money on top of it was a bonus. Because the way I've seen it is, if I was selling it and breaking even, then I'm still going to get reviews, ratings. It's going to climb up the Amazon rankings and hopefully it start to sell organically by itself. So the fact that I was selling it and still making a profit on top was just a really big bonus. So this isn't August's complete, you will have to come back to see that, but I will give you a glimpse on where I'm up to so far in August, and this has definitely been my best month. So on the 21st of August, when this is being filmed, I am currently on $253.86. Now, I'm really happy with this. It's the most progress that I've seen. Obviously, some of this money is advertising, but it's money that I'm putting in now, and I will definitely get back later because I've already made the money back, so that I'm not really at a loss. I'm actually in profit. So I know some people might be put off by this because you are spending money, but the way I'm thinking of it is a business, and what sort of business do you not have to spend money in to make money? I will tell you that my best-selling book this month is a colouring book, which is why I've sort of veered to more focused on that. I also enjoy making the colouring books. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I like to draw, and it's one of my sort of hobbies to do, and I just enjoy making the colouring books. I'm not really sure why, maybe because they take a bit longer, but they do seem to sell, for me personally, they seem to sell a bit better. Anyway, I really hope that you found this video useful. I hope it helps you in some way. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see how I actually do at the end of August. I'm really excited to see the result of that, and I will be posting it. So until next time, thanks for watching.